Have you ever found yourself in a never-ending cycle of rushing around, with little to no time for a hearty, nourishing meal? If this sounds familiar, then worry no more. This video is all about 5 easy, quick, and utterly delicious recipes that are perfect for those constantly on the move. First up, we have the edamame power bowl. This is as simple as combining cooked or frozen shelled edamame or soybeans with chopped cucumber, crumbled feta cheese, and a drizzle of olive oil and lemon juice. Season this with salt, pepper, and a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for a hint of spice. This power-packed meal will be ready for consumption in just 5 minutes. Next, we have the tuna salad wrap. For this, mix canned tuna in water with light mayonnaise, chopped celery, red onion, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Spread this on a whole wheat tortilla, add chopped lettuce and tomato, and roll up tightly. In just 5 minutes, you'll have a delicious wrap ready to go. Our third recipe is the Greek yogurt power parfait. Layer plain Greek yogurt with granilla, sliced fresh berries, and a drizzle of honey. This protein-rich snack will keep you energized throughout the day and can be prepared in just 3 minutes. The fourth recipe is avocado toast with a twist. Toast a slice of whole wheat bread, mash half an avocado and spread it on the toast. Top this with crumbled hard-boiled egg, a sprinkle of everything bagel seasoning, and a drizzle of hot sauce for that extra flavor. This will be ready in 5 minutes. Our final recipe is the peanut butter and banana protein smoothie. Blend together a scoop of protein powder, 1 banana, a tablespoon of peanut butter, and milk or almond milk until smooth. This quick and nutritious breakfast or post-workout drink will be ready in just 5 minutes. These recipes are not only quick and easy to prepare but also versatile. You can customize them with your favorite ingredients and they require minimal prep work. They're perfect for busy mornings, rushed lunches, or a light and healthy dinner. So, even on the busiest of days, remember that a nutritious, delicious meal is just a few minutes away.